Hello everybody, Ravi here. I want to talk to you guys about the Rite Aid deals that I did for Friday, January 29th, 2021. So yeah, it's really quick haul. I just want to talk to you. Why I went today is because I had around $40 expiring in bonus cash. Apparently I totally forgot, and this morning when I checked, or this afternoon, um, I saw that it was expiring within like 2 hours or so. So, that's when I had to run. So, and get all these things done. So, I'm just going to tell you guys what I did and why I did it because I need to put a video out there. um, and this will probably help a lot of people anyway to keep a lookout. That's why I say keep your eyes open. Um, so, This box is actually from a CO51 sample. So there was a sample I ordered like maybe a few weeks back, and it has these kind of items in it. So I don't know. I'll do an unboxing at the end, but I just wanted to let you guys know about that. So anyway, I had $40 expiring, so I had to do something. Um, so okay, let me talk about those two things. That's not really a deal. The adjustable stuff. Um, it's just I needed to use my bonus cash, and what I'm gonna do is submit for my um health savings account that I have. I'm gonna just submit for $23 so I can get the cash back. Because obviously bonus cash I had to spend, and I couldn't use my whatever health savings account. So whatever, I have to somehow manage to find a way to get that reimbursed. But it's $23. And then I found these items again. I don't know. I get so lucky finding these Nivea, and I'm so grateful that I keep finding them because this was like a literally $11 worth of product that I got to cash back into cash. So I'm amazed. So this is, you guys know, is $1.99 on clearance, and there's 250. I bought a rebate for these, limit of 3. So obviously, you guys, I did 2 separate receipts, obviously. So I submitted for 3 of these. So this is a moneymaker. I'm just happy about that. And then I also submitted for this double save gel. Um, that was 124, and I think I get back 85 cents, and I bought a. And then if you buy 2 different items, you get a 75-cent bonus. So even better than I thought it would be, um, free plus moneymaker. That's all all that matters, right? So I'm so happy about that. Yeah. Anyway, there's nothing going on with Nivea, by the way. It's just I keep finding them, so I'm gonna keep buying them, and plus I can cash out my bonus cash that I have. Alright, and let me talk to you about the Suave deal. Okay, so this deodorant, you guys, Active Sport, is, by the way, if it was 50% off or 25% off at this store, actually is ringing up 75% off, so like 64 cents. There was a 40-cent load to car coupon, so it's great. And it also counts for buy 2 Suave items and get $2 back in bonus cash. So I had to throw in this Suave Men body wash. Unfortunately, I did not realize that the load to cover is 150 off of 2. So what I'm gonna have to do is just I'll just return this and rebuy it with my dollar coupon. I hope that dollar coupon is the correct one. Otherwise, I'll just buy the women's body wash. It's not a big deal for me. I don't want to return both anyway because it doesn't make sense. I just need to use my coupon for that. And if they do post coupon, I'll just ask. Hopefully, maybe they'll just do post coupon, so I don't need to do a return. I hate doing all those things. It's an annoyance. I hate returning and rebuying. Anyway, that's the reason I just decided to buy those things, and I'm just gonna submit it for my health savings account because I hate doing this buy return thing at Rite Aid, so whatever. It's easier, and I just got it back in cash, so that's all that matters, right? Um, Next weekend I'm gonna have to do something anyway, so you guys will definitely have to see a haul probably Sunday, Monday. There's gonna be like maybe a few different hauls because I have around $700 in bonus cash expiring. Yeah, so I gotta be like here and there, you know, doing like $50 transactions. I said I wasn't gonna do it, but now I have to do it because if these, I don't want these bonus cash to expire, you know. Um, anyway, it's gonna be good to the house now. You know, it's so hard to spend money, you guys. You guys don't understand. Um, I know like American people can just spend their money like, oh yeah, throw it up in the air, woohoo, party. But you know, I cannot do that. Bonus cash is still considered money to me, and you know, you have to spend it wisely. You cannot just buy whatever garbage and you know, and pretend you know, it's just free money. No, you invested money in there and time. So yeah, that's what it is. Okay, I don't know why I was ranting for that. Okay, so let me talk about that box if you guys want. I'll just show you what's in there. Let me unbox it. Okay guys, so this is what it was in the box. So we got a pack of Kleenex On The Go Ultra. So you see 3-ply tissues, so that's nice and strong. They gave us this useless booklet. There's no coupons in there, so I don't know why they wasted their time to print this. Give me some coupons. And then I got these little 1-pack of Advils. So I don't know what this one is for. Sinus congestion and pain. And then this one was dual action. So this is the new product that they're going to push out. But there's no sale on it that I, you know, can find it more interesting to buy, you know. What is this? One wet floor cloth, the Sentiva. So these are like the expensive stuff. Premium, sorry, premium. But so yeah, I'll use that maybe in the kitchen because I gotta do my kitchen cleaning, right? And then this is the Theraflu. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. This is probably gonna be given to somebody else because I don't like these things. Yeah. So anyway, yeah, that's what's going on. So I unboxed that and I talked about Rite Aid. So I am going to go on Saturday. I don't know when this video is going to be uploaded, by the way. But anyway, I'm going to be going on Saturday and I'll still make my video anyway. Yeah, I'm going to probably be hitting up the clearance section and talk about the different things that are going on. I'll let you guys know what's going to happen next week. You guys already know that. Make sure you leave a thumbs up on this, like the video, okay? And comment down below if you found this video helpful and other things that you may buy. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. There's a lot of people that watch these videos and haven't subscribed to my channel. And I do post a lot of Rite Aid deals and other store deals, so definitely please make sure to subscribe. Trying to get to 4,000, probably not going to be possible, but yeah, I'm doing pretty good, so I'm very happy that the people that I have that are watching, at least 25% of people are still watching these videos that are subscribed, so that's really awesome. I've been hitting my goals of 1,000 views on my you know, weekly videos, at least 1,000 views on those Sunday or Monday videos, so that's amazing. Thank you guys so much for making that happen. It's just a really good accomplishment that more people are watching these kind of videos, and I do present a lot of great deals, so I gotta thank myself for that too. So yeah, this Nivea deal has been going on since November, right? I've been scoring it ever since, and I still have to try that Nivea, this balm actually. I did try the shave gel, I liked it, but what do you guys care about that, right? I just love the Nivea shave gel, so I'm going to be using these aftershave products. I have so many aftershave products now. I think I'm stocked up for another 5 years, literally 5 years, because how many of these did I buy already? Maybe like 50. They're just stuck in bags, and yeah, it's getting a little bit chilly, so you know I gotta be careful. Yeah, I know you guys want to stockpile 2 or 2. My house is a mess. I put everything in the basement, so everything just scattered all over the place, so I guess you guys just gonna have to see that because I don't keep things clean, and you know that's life. Everything is messy. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this long video, and I hope you guys found this very entertaining. Like, comments, and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with other people if you want to, at least for the Nivea deal and the Suave deal. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. Bye.